Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're on it now. So I'm going to start here. Here I took the 3 of the batteries I have. I took the center sleeve out of here, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the high temp tape here that I have and wrap this side of it. Not the flat side, but this other flat side that has the indents. From what I can tell. And I'm having trouble taking the starter out. Okay, let's see, come on. Okay, and then just wrap it. And then just cut it off like so. Okay, and then just push it down tight like that at the top, and that should protect that, hopefully. Okay, and then will you do another pair? I don't know, but here, there we go. Alright, so then what we're going to do is we're going to orient it, and then we're going to put the sleeve in the middle like so, and like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take a band. Oops, that's no good, no, it just broke. Okay, and see if I can just get it to stay together. Okay, okay, there we go. Make sure it's semi-flat. That's really the key here as we assemble it. I think that's good right there. Okay, then we have to disassemble this totally, but let's see what I can do here. Alright, let's put some of these insulating tabs on that. I got one here. Put one here. On the same side I put the tape is where they're going to go. And then I'm going to put the 2 on the bottom here. Okay. And then another one. So I'll do it. Okay. So now we're mimicking this, okay? So that's what we were going to try to do. I got to cut this off. I got to bridge this, cut that off, and then we're going to do it in slow pieces so that I don't mess it up, okay? Because you know that's always the case. So what I'll do is I'll bridge this first. That way I know which way I'm going. And here is the nickel I'm going to use. Just get a decent size. Okay. And if I have to, maybe I'll use 2 pieces, but I think that ought to do it right there. Right? And then I'm going to take our welder. Okay, keep it apart. And then turn it on. There we go. And I've got it on auto. So let's see what happens here. Alright, so you're going to hear the beep and then the pop, okay? So let's see. Okay, 1, 2. Okay. That's not bad. I think I might put a couple of hits on there. A couple more hits just to be sure. One more here. Okay, there we go. Separate these for now. Alright, and so that we got the start there, right? And so now I know I'm going to have to add a little piece coming off of here to do the other. So we're going to do a little piece here for that piece come in there, okay? So let's see what we can do. Alright, I'm going to just put the two there. I think those are really nice. Alright, so that's going to lead me to this, okay? I'm going to cut that. And to cut that, I'm just using these little micro shears here that I have. Okay, let's see what I can get here. This is the thermal sensor on this side, I'm pretty sure. And it's embedded inside of that, so I'm trying not to destroy it. Okay, there we go. And then this one has a clamp on this side. So there's that one's got to go there. So there's a few things we're going to get done. Okay, get a few things done here. Let's see what I can do. Okay, that's free. Okay. Get this side free. Okay. And the top two are connected together here at the top. I'm trying to get the rubber off of it. There we go. So, there we go. Alright. Okay. And it looks like these two are connected together here. Okay, so we're going to connect that together. Okay, we get a strip. Okay. Okay. Alright, and then I'm going to need an extension for that wire to come off of that. Okay. A little bit. So we'll see if we can get this. Let me see if I can get this right here. That little piece that I had left over. So I can use that as a piece for it right here if I can. Okay, let's see. There we go. One hit. That's good right there. Okay, so now we're going to connect this one to that. And I'm just going to take enough so I can. Yeah. There we go. Okay. And that's going to go into the bottom of that. So I think I can get enough here. Alright, there we go. That's separate now. So, there we go. So this goes here. Okay, this is going to go here, real tight. Just going to weld it. Oop, I didn't do it. Okay, let's try again. It would be nicer if these leads were just a little bit longer. They're really kind of tight. That worked. Okay. Under was the ticket, I guess. Okay, now I'm going to start wrapping it, which means I got to put this tab on this one here. That's going to be fun. Okay. That shouldn't be too bad, as long as I can hold it there. Okay. I'm going to use a little bit of that aluminum strip to extend it. Extend my hits here. But first I'm going to try to hit it with just that and see what happens since I cut it long. I can get this thing to solder on. Okay. That's going to go here like this. Okay, and that tape's going to go right there, and I'll use some more. But I have to get this piece on here first so that we can actually wrap it in here, okay? So that's actually going to go like right there. Alright. Okay, that smells bad, but I'm getting somewhere. Then we're going to put the tape over this, like so. Put that right there. Okay, cover it. Then this should just slide right over here like so. And the thermocoupler right there over that battery area. Okay, so now we're doing good. So now I'm gonna put the rubber band below it. Okay, like so. And put this over here like so. Because we're gonna make sure it all goes. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna extend it. I'm putting it underneath that. Underneath that, and then hitting it, because that seems to work better than trying to. Yeah. And then I'm gonna solder these two. That's gonna be interesting. Okay. One here and one here. Let's see what happens. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then that's all tight, so I gotta hit this one over here and bridge that one right here. That's it. To this one. Okay, so let's do that. And I think we can put it back together and put it on the charger and see if we get some charging. Okay. So I'm going to put it right here like so. Okay, and then I'm going to hit this with this. Let's see, go a little bit over, I think. Okay, like so. Okay. And then I'm going to put this one over here too. And then I'm going to hit this right here for that tab. That is really, really small. Well, I'm going to see if we can do it. Okay, there we go. Yep, I think that's all together. Okay. And what we're going to try to do now is we're back in the system. I believe this is pretty much the way it's supposed to be. And so we're going to put it back in the case very carefully after taking the rubber band off. I think everything is soldered, I hope. And then we're going to put it in the charger and see what we get. Okay? Alright, where's the cap? There's the cap. Okay, so should go in there like so. Very carefully. Alright, there we go. Slide it back in. Okay, that's home. Oops, daisy. That side didn't go in. Oops, pull it back out. Yeah, this corner needs to go in too. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's a tight fit, but it fit. And then this should go in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the charger, and we're going to see, you know, if it takes a charge. That would be the key. Okay. All right. All right. There we go. All right. And we're going to see if it takes a charge. Okay. And this will be my reman one. So. Okay. Here it is. I put redo on it. This is the one I just did. I plugged in my charger, and we're going to see if it actually charges. And it says it's charging. So I'm going to see if it takes a full charge, and then we'll try to run the power tool off of it. Okay. See you in a little bit. Alright, it looks like it's fully charged. I'm going to take it out. Take it and put it in the tool and let's try it. Alright, I'm going to put it in one of my little power drivers. Put it in. Look at that. Pretty good, huh? Seems to be working okay. We'll see how long it lasts. But hey, as long as it charges, I'm okay with it. So thank you again for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and have a wonderful day. Bye now.